In this short video, I want to go over a brand new product. This is a low profile drain pan from TCMT. This is a new product for them and I really like it. So let me go over some of the features of an oil drain pan. Whoever thought that an oil drain pan has features, but this one does. First of all, it's the size. It's a low profile drain pan. It stands a little under 3 inches tall. So this will allow you to do an oil change with the bike on the kickstand, and you can put the drain pan in place and you shouldn't have to move it because it's very big. Now, if you're doing other maintenance on your bike, for example, if you need to remove the primary cover, the entire primary cover will fit on this drain pan. So there's a lot of different uses for it based on its size. Now, it's concave here, so the oil will flow from all directions towards the center, into this hole, into your 10-quart drain pan. You got plenty of room in here for all of the fluids. This second hole here is just a vent, so you don't have to remove it completely. You just want to open it up a little bit so that air can flow in or out depending on what it needs to do. In this area here, you have space to set your oil filter and let it drain out as well. And you can also set the plugs here and don't have to worry about them falling into your drain pan, which I have done before, and believe me, that sucks. So that's pretty much it. It's a very cool product. There's not a whole lot of new things coming out with oil changes, but this is a pretty neat product from TCMT. If you need an oil drain pan, or if you want to get a low profile drain pan, check out the description section of my video. I'll provide an affiliate link where you can go to TCMT and order this drain pan or any of their other fantastic products, and use the coupon code QTheRider and you will receive a small discount to make it an even more attractive buy for you. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and you'll be notified when my oil change video comes out, because I'm going to do an oil change with this oil pan, and I'm also going to include in that video how to properly dispose of used motor oil. And in that part of the video, I'm actually going to test how well this vent plug works being so close to the main drain for the oil drain pan. This is Q. I'm riding, I'm wrenching, and I am out.